Welcome back to SF Car Reviews, the channel where we break down the most exciting rides on the road. And today, we're looking at a machine that isn't just a vehicle, it's a luxury lifestyle on wheels. This is the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper luxury van, a custom-built travel suite designed for people who want comfort, privacy, technology, and full VIP luxury wherever they go. Whether you're a family traveler, a business executive on the move, or someone who simply wants their own mobile luxury retreat, this van promises an experience that feels miles ahead of traditional campers. The exterior sets the tone immediately. The 2026 Savana still carries its classic commercial van bones, but the limo camper conversion turns it into an instant attention magnet. The front fascia features GMC's signature bold grille, modern LED headlights, and a clean bumper design that stays true to the truck-like toughness the brand is known for. But it's the extended bodywork, the full-length privacy glass, the high roof, and the chrome accents that transform this vehicle from a simple van into a first-class luxury shuttle. LED strip lighting along the lower edges and the roofline adds a premium look at night, giving it a limousine-like glow. Despite its size, the van doesn't feel awkward on the road. GMC has improved structural stiffness and aerodynamics for 2026, reducing wind noise and improving overall ride smoothness. The limo camper conversion complements that by adding additional insulation, making the cabin quiet even during highway travel. It's the kind of vehicle that makes people stop and stare, not because it's loud or flashy, but because it radiates presence and exclusivity. Performance has always been one of the Savana's strong points, and the 2026 model continues that legacy. Under the hood, you get a powerful 6.6-liter V8 engine, an engine that's more than capable of pushing this long and heavy camper without any struggle. The torque delivery is strong and smooth, allowing the van to accelerate confidently even when fully loaded with passengers, luggage, and camping gear. The transmission shifts cleanly, and the steering, though large vehicle heavy, is predictable and responsive. Whether you're cruising across states, climbing mountain roads, or towing a trailer behind you, the 2026 Savana handles the challenge with ease. But let's be honest, nobody buys a limo camper for speed. They buy it for the luxury experience, and that's where this vehicle truly shines. The moment the sliding door opens, you step into a completely different world. Soft LED mood lighting sets the atmosphere, the leather recliner seats look like they belong in a private jet, and the real wood accents bring a warm, inviting feel. This van has an interior built not just for travel, but for relaxation. Each seat is a fully equipped recliner with leg rests, massage functions, heating, cooling, cup coolers, USB-C ports, storage compartments, and personal lighting. Passengers can completely customize their comfort. You can recline, enjoy a drink, watch a movie, or simply shut the blinds and relax. The entertainment setup is equally premium. A massive 55-inch smart TV sits at the center wall, supported by a high-end surround sound system that turns the van into a home theater on the move. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or hosting remote business meetings, the experience feels immersive and crystal clear. Built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth streaming, HDMI inputs, and smart TV apps provide everything you need for work or play. Sound insulation is another highlight. GMC and the conversion team have gone all in to make the cabin whisper quiet. Even when driving at 70 miles per hour, conversations remain soft, and outside noise barely enters the cabin. It's peaceful, private, and relaxing, exactly what a luxury camper should be. Now let's talk about what makes this a true camper, the rear suite. The back section of the 2026 Savana Limo Camper is designed like a mini apartment. You get a convertible bed system that folds out effortlessly into a comfortable sleeping space, perfect for long trips or overnight camping. The bed can be set up for 1 or 2 people, depending on how you arrange the cushions. A compact wardrobe adds storage for clothes and travel essentials, while the climate control system ensures the sleeping area stays perfectly comfortable no matter the weather outside. The kitchenette is beautifully integrated into the side wall. It includes an induction cooktop, microwave, refrigerator, sink, and multiple storage compartments for food and utensils. Everything is compact but cleverly arranged so cooking inside the van feels smooth and simple. Whether you're heating coffee in the morning or preparing a quick meal during a road trip, the kitchen setup works extremely well. Then there's the bathroom. something many vans skip, but this limo camper includes it. The compact bathroom includes a toilet, a vanity mirror, LED lighting, shelves, and an optional standing shower depending on the interior package. The walls use yacht-style waterproof materials, adding a premium touch while being durable and easy to clean. The water system is fully integrated with tanks for fresh water, gray water, and sanitation management, making the van capable of real off-grid living. Technology throughout the vehicle gets a major upgrade for 2026. The driver's area includes a digital instrument cluster, an upgraded infotainment system with navigation, a 360-degree camera system to handle blind spots, and driver assist features such as lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. For a large luxury van, these features drastically improve ease of driving and safety. The cabin includes wireless charging pads, multiple USB-C ports everywhere, laptop tables for the lounge seats, and secure storage lockers for valuables. The whole layout is built to support remote work, long-distance travel, and VIP transportation all in one. Of course, fuel economy isn't the selling point here, it's a large V8 luxury camper. But buyers in this category aren't looking for savings at the pump. They're looking for comfort, privacy, convenience, and a premium travel experience. And in those areas, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper overdelivers. This vehicle appeals to a wide range of people. Business travelers who need a mobile office, families who love cross-country adventures, travel companies looking for VIP shuttle vans, and even entertainers or creators who want a comfortable rolling studio. The versatility is genuinely impressive. The best part is that the Savana's reliability makes it a long-term vehicle. The V8 engine, heavy-duty transmission, and strong chassis ensure durability and low maintenance in the long run. Add to that the handcrafted luxury interior, and you get a mobile suite that feels lavish, useful, and surprisingly practical. In the end, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper luxury van stands as one of the most complete luxury travel solutions on the road. It's more than transportation. It's your living room, bedroom, office, kitchen, and entertainment hub, all packaged inside a well-built American vehicle. And that wraps up today's detailed review here on SF Car Reviews. If you enjoyed exploring this luxury limo camper with us, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. We've got more new and exciting vehicles coming soon. Until then, drive safe and travel in style.